Hey, what's up guys? Trent here. Thanks for clicking that play button. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I went from 0 subscribers to 100 subscribers all in the last month. I'm going to share the exact strategies I've used to do so, including one special mention from one of the more popular personal finance YouTubers, Graham Stephan. He's someone I follow actively, and let's get a quick glimpse on what he thinks.
If you want to create a passive income source that allows you to do nothing all day, but smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Of course, you could let me know by smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Much did no work whatsoever. Now, I don't want to say that the last owner was a slumlord, but if it talks like a slumlord and walks like a slumlord and does not smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, then it's probably a slumlord.
As you guys can see, Graham is super engaging, and that's helped him grow his channels to over 2 million subscribers total. I watched a separate one of his videos that he breaks down exactly how much he makes from YouTube, and it's over $1 million a year, which is pretty crazy to think about. And he does this by driving engagement in his videos and getting people to like, subscribe, and comment in his videos. So it would really help me out as well, guys, if you could like this video and subscribe as well. I want to start out by thanking all of you guys for actually watching the videos, subscribing, and coming back for more. I wouldn't be able to grow without any of you guys watching, so I really appreciate it, and I'm enjoying making the videos and hope you guys find something from them. And that brings me to my first point is for growth is you need to leverage your existing network. So think about all your friends and family. That's lower hanging fruit of people who actually care what you're up to. So by all means, once you make your videos, send them to your friends and family and say, hey, send them to your friends if you want to, anyone that's closer to you, and maybe they'll enjoy it as well. So that's a great starting place for a newer channel. That's something I've definitely tried to do. Furthermore, you want to leverage your social media followings as well, as that's your extended network. So by that, I mean Facebook and Twitter. And eventually, I hope to get on LinkedIn, but since that's more of my professional primary network, I want to make sure I'm in a place where these videos are as good as they can be. But anytime you're posting on your social media, you leave yourself open to judgment. And I was pretty wary about doing this at first. I've made podcasts and videos in the past and haven't necessarily put myself out there because you open yourself up to criticism and people giving negative feedback. But ultimately view it as a net positive. You're going to get a lot of support and positive feedback that will ultimately help you grow your channel and make your videos all the more better. So that's something you want to make sure to do constantly. And definitely, I think the word of mouth, that's really powerful. Just getting it out to your friends and family, getting those initial views, getting them to send the videos out to people. And that's one of the great ways to begin growing when you're a newer channel. And that's certainly helped me get to my first 100 subscribers. I know most of the people are watching are friends and family, so thank you guys. The next way I've grown my channel is commenting engaging comments on larger channels.
Fastest, easiest, shortest way to get 1,000 subscribers in about a month. And here's the shortcut to doing all of this, is to comment on larger channels that are in your same niche and ranking your comment at the top of their page. If you look
in theory, guys, this strategy makes a lot of sense. The channels with a lot of traffic that you actually enjoy and follow, such as Graham Stephan, you want to comment something that's engaging so that it ultimately gets likes and is driven up the comment board. And the closer you are to the top, the better. People will automatically be interested in your profile, click on your page, and maybe start subscribing to you and watching your content as well if they enjoy it. Here are a couple examples of what I've done. Here's one showing how I commented on Meet Kevin's profile. He has a couple 100,000 subscribers. I said something engaging. He replied back and automatically got a lot of traffic. Next, I commented on Logan Paul's page. He has over 22 million subscribers. And I commented something I thought was pretty catchy and it ended up getting a lot of traction. And I can't measure the exact output from this, but I'm sure a lot of people clicked on my profile and I'm sure that drove some views as well. A couple big do's and don'ts with this, guys, is don't post spammy comments saying, hey, check out my page, or hey, you won't believe this, or just posting a link. People will see right through that. They'll never click on it, and it will just give you a bad rap. And if people see your name again, they'll probably never click on your name. A couple do's with this is you want to make sure your comment is engaging and adds to the discussion of that specific community. So you need to watch the actual video, post something that contributes so that people engage with it and ultimately say, I want to join that discussion. And from there, they'll click on your channel. The content producers that you're posting on will see right through this, guys. So you want to make sure you're doing it in a respectful way and adding to their discussion, liking their video and commenting on their page. Another point with this is that Rather than my channel name just being Trent Dressel, you want to do your channel name and then something you're talking about. So I do Trent Dressel, Money Talk Made Simple, because I'm talking about money, personal finance, and doing it in a simple, fun, and value add way. And you want to make sure to do that so your name stands out even more in the comments. I like to describe this as almost being that freshman at a college party wearing a backpack. Everyone's going to know you're a freshman and know what you're up to, but ultimately you're adding value by bringing beer to the party. And it's similar on YouTube. By doing Trent Dressel, Money Talk Made Simple, people say, okay, he's clearly trying to get people to come to my page, but he is adding some value here with an engaging comment. Let's see what he has to say. And that's how you drive traffic to your page and get people that you don't know other than friends and family to check out your page when you're a more immature channel. All these wines look so good. Chardonnay. Yeah, I'll go with Chardonnay. But at the same time, it's only Friday morning. I should probably just go with coffee. Similar to how you wouldn't want to drink wine at the beginning of your day, you'd prefer coffee because that's going to help you optimize your day. And that brings us to our third tip of growing your channel, search engine optimization. This is the process of growing the quantity and quality of your page so that you can grow more visibility on the web via direct or indirect search. It's just a byproduct of you setting up the right way. More people will be tracked and your page will be recommended. There's a couple different ways to do this, and I'm by no means an expert at this. What I've heard based on my research is you want to have a great title, not a clickbaity title, a title with an outcome, something that you do. For example, how I made passive income with $1,000. That's a pretty good title. It draws you in and tells you how to do it with this amount of money. You don't want to be clickbaity. You want to make a thumbnail though that is clickbaity. So you want to always create a thumbnail, and you want that can be clickbaity because that isn't picked up in the algorithm. That's something that people see and decide if they want to watch the video or not. It's something that shows the initial creativity and the interest level of the video. And you want to make sure it's optimized so that if people are on a phone, that they can see it even if it's small. Another thing to keep in mind is the description. You want to make sure to type out a description of what the video is actually about. So I typed out an entire script for this video. I'm not using the script, but it helped me brainstorm what I was going to say, and ultimately is what I'll put in the description so that my video is optimized based on that. And finally, that brings us to the tags. You want to make sure to put the tags on the video as well and be as specific as possible, especially when you're just starting out. I don't have a ton of advice in that area because I'm by no means an expert, but those are some of the things I'm thinking about to try and optimize my page so the almighty YouTube algorithm suggests this video to you. The final and most important way to grow your channel is by creating quality content. It really is true what they say, content is king. A couple principles to keep in mind, guys, is don't take any shortcuts. You know, if you just throw together a video and you didn't really think it through and you just quickly try and edit it and make it seem cool, people are going to see through that and it's not really going to resonate. I feel like some of my more recent videos have been just put together fast in an effort of me trying to be lazy, and I don't think that the views have really come through as what I would have hoped because I didn't put the necessary thought that required into the videos. That's why I was trying to change today's video, and I really thought it out and wanted to add real value to you guys and show you exactly how I've grown this channel from 0 to 100 subscribers. When you guys are thinking about what type of content to create, you want to make sure you're actually enjoy the content and it's something you're interested in. There's no point making videos if you don't enjoy the videos and it's not something you would actually watch. So that's another question to ask yourself. Is this content that I would actually watch and care about myself? And then finally, the best way to figure that out is based on my research, the 3 things people care most about are how to make money passively online, get rich quick type thing. I'm not trying to be some scammy selling a webinar type thing. I'm just trying to offer my advice completely for free based on my prism and my personal and professional experience. Next, people care about health, how to lose weight, and finally, relationship advice. Considering I've never been in a relationship, I had to scratch that out. And next, I don't exactly have a 6-pack of abs, so I had to scratch that out. And I thought, okay, I graduated with a business degree. I've been working for about 2 years, working for a pretty cool, fast-growing technology company. Maybe I can share my prism of that along with all of my personal studies on finance, and that can bring some sort of value to you guys. So the whole point of my channel is to make money talk simpler and make people feel more confident about achieving financial independence sooner rather than later in life. I have about 3 years total of living expenses saved up, so that's by no means financially free. But I believe I'm well on my way through my investments and what I'm trying to do with YouTube, along with my primary job of software sales. And I just want to share with you guys my successes, failures, and experiences in wealth creation so that you get some value and take away from it. That's the content angle I'm trying to take, but you ultimately have to ask yourselves, what type of content can I create that people will actually care about and come back and want to watch more? In summary, I've grown my channel from 0 to 100 subscribers in less than a month by leveraging my own network, by commenting on larger channels, by being mindful of search engine optimization, and finally, by creating quality content in my eyes. I'm not sure if it's in your eyes as well, but yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Hope you found today's video useful. And once again, want to thank you guys for watching and coming back. Anytime you make a video, you don't really know if it's going to land with people, if they're going to like it, what they're going to say, what they're not going to say. So yeah, I'm going to keep making videos. Really appreciate you guys watching. And as always, it would really help the channel if you guys like the video and subscribe as well.